This is the OPPO A57s I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory amount you have on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch settings. Then you gotta enter the about device category that you'll find at the very bottom of the page. Then over here find the RAM field, tap on it, turn this switch on, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to expand your RAM exactly, so you can either go with 1, 2 or 4 gigabytes of additional random access memory. The way it works is that it just occupies the respective amount from the internal storage and basically creates a bonus virtual RAM in addition to the hardware RAM you have installed into your smartphone already. So in order to those changes to take effect, you gotta restart the device, reboot the device, that you can do by simultaneously pressing and holding the power key and volume up button and, well, sliding this little bar to the restart. Now we'll simply wait for the device to get rebooted, and after that we'll be able to check whether the changes have been applied or not. Alrighty, so now let me quickly enter the SIM pin and proceed back to settings, as long as it does not ask me to type in the PIN, I'll just enter the about device category. Okay, here it is. And at the about device section, as you can see at the very same RAM field, you'll be able to look up the fact that in addition to the 4 default gigabytes of RAM, we have successfully added another 4. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.